lately I have been loving the look of the mud cloth pillows, but what I haven't loved is the price. So I decided to try this quick and easy DIY. I ordered these 20 by 20 pillow covers from H&M. They're made from 100% organic cotton, and I decided to draw my own pattern to design them exactly the way I wanted them. The materials that you will need to design your own pillow covers is a permanent Sharpie marker. I used one in black, and I started with a pencil just to get the hang of it, and then I simply just took an index card and cut the corners off, and the index card will serve as my pattern. Once I had my lines all penciled in, I simply used a ruler as a straight edge and used my Sharpie marker to make my lines. Just repeat the process of drawing the angled lines that you made with your pencil. Just repeat until your pillow looks exactly the way you want it to. By the time I was starting on my second row of my design, I felt comfortable enough to just go without the pencil, and I just went ahead and drew the lines directly onto the pillow cover with the Sharpie. If you feel more comfortable using the pencil, feel free to continue doing that. Otherwise, it's your pillow cover, so your decision. For the middle section, I wanted my lines to go the opposite direction, so I just flipped my pillow cover around. Yay, I'm done with my first pillow, and I think it looks great. I used this picture for inspiration, and I think it turned out fantastic. Next, just to make sure that the Sharpie is sealed and won't smudge, I'm going to use one of my husband's old white t-shirts just to place on top of the pillow and then iron it so that the heat will seal the ink. And there it is. Pillow cover number 1 is complete. I was very happy with how pillow cover number 1 came out and how it looks on the couch. So now it's time to start on pillow number 2. After studying several images of mudcloth pillows and decor, I realized that the matchy-matchy part of me that wanted to make my pillows identical just wasn't going to work. So I knew I needed to switch up my pattern just a bit. So keep watching to see what I did. For pillow number 2, I still used my index card pattern for the edges, but I decided to mix it up a bit in the middle and just basically freehand the design that I wanted. I absolutely love the way the pattern turned out, even though Miss Shelley doesn't seem interested. I think Rue approves. Yes, he definitely approves. And Hunter wasn't too interested either. Time to repeat the ironing process again, just to be sure that the black Sharpie ink is nice and sealed into the fabric. And there it is. Pillow cover number 2 is complete. There you see my finished project on my love seat. I do have 2 more pillow covers to do, so I'm going to do those in a few days, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video up for you in case you were interested in making your own DIY mudcloth pillows. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with another video.